across the country and here's a new state. It was so worth getting out of the car. We're in Ohio. Hold on, I think I can see the city. Let me show you. Hi, I'm here with Malia, right?
Yeah,
Malia of Dahlia Occasions, and we were in her studio, which is crazy cute. I'm going to show you guys around, and she worked so hard to make sure all these flowers were perfect for us. So
Yeah.
can't wait to see them. It's Valentine's Day, and pink just seemed appropriate. As a surprise to the designers who came out on this floral holiday, we created heart-shaped bouquets in the Euro holder with a touch of lion ribbon. Our attendees were treated to a romantic design with layers of soft petals. As each bloom is placed, you can feel the excitement in the room grow. We finished the day with a grand centerpiece for styled shoots across America. In the morning, we gathered at Dahlia Occasions for the business intensive, where I shared my passion for success as a wedding designer. Join me on our next tour stop by following the link or going to intrigueteaches.com.